Hello dear students, welcome to my computer science class. So students, today we will discuss the exercises of the chapter More Features in MS Access. This is third chapter of class 8 computer science book IT Planet. So the first question is tick the correct answer. The selected data appears dash on your screen. The options are colored, highlighted or gray, and the correct answer is they appear highlighted. Now the next one is the shortcut key for find option is Alt plus F, Control plus I or Control plus F, and we have used this feature, so Control plus F is the correct answer. Now next is you can modify the design of the table in datasheet view, design view or query view, and the correct answer is design view. We design a table in design view only. Arranging records in a particular order is called filtering, sorting, forming, and the answer is sorting. We can arrange the data in ascending or descending order using this feature, sorting. Now next one is it is designed to enter and edit data in a table, query or form. So we enter and edit data in a form. Now next one is fill in the blanks. Dash feature allows you to quickly search through tables, queries and forms for a piece of data. And which feature allows you to quickly search? It is find. Now next one. Dash means arranging records in a particular order, ascending or descending. We have just now studied that this feature is sorting. Now next. Dash data can help you review and analyze information in your database. So it is filtering. When we filter data, we can review and analyze it in a better way. Now dash view and dash view are two views in which you can view your table, and we know that this is datasheet view and design view. Datasheet view and design view. These are the two views. Now dash are created and managed in a relationship window. The relationships are created and managed in a relationship window. If we have two tables and one of the fields are common, we can create a relationship between the two tables using the relationship window. Now there are question answers. So the first question is, what is the use of find feature in MS Access? And the answer is on page number 30. So find allows you to quickly search tables, queries and forms for specified database tasks. Or if you have a large database, this find feature allows you to search quickly. Now let us move to the next question. And the B part of question is, what do you mean by sorting and filtering? And the answer is on page number 32. Sorting means arranging the records in a particular order, ascending or descending. If these are the names and we want to arrange these in alphabetical order, either from A to Z or Z to A, we will use the function sorting. And second is, what is filtering? So what is filtering? You can filter data in a table to display only records containing data of interest. And how it can help? It can help you review and analyze information in your database. So suppose if you have large database and you want a small information out of it, that how many of the students out of from the whole school they go by using the school transport, school bus. So you will use the filter function. C part is name the two views in which you can view your table. Write the steps to switch to design view from datasheet view. The answer of first part is already there in your the second part, and it is datasheet view and design view. So let us move to page 36 for the complete answer. Answer is datasheet view and design view are the two views in which you can view your table. And the second part is how can we switch from design view to datasheet view? So switch to design view. The question was from datasheet view to design view. So switching to design view. First of all, click on home tab on the ribbon. This is the ribbon and here this is the home tab. You have to click on the view button. This is the view button, and then you have to click on design view. These are the three steps. Now student, the next question is what do you mean by relational database and how will you create relationship between tables? So the answer for this question is we can connect tables by creating relationships between them based on a common field that they share. So for creating a relationship, we should have at least two tables, and out of these two tables there should be one common field in both the tables. Then relationships are created and managed in a special database view called the relationship window. We can create relationships between tables in this window by dragging a field from one table onto a field from another table. Now let us move to the next question. What do you mean by a form and what is it used for? And this question, the answer for this question is on page number 41. So a form is a view of one or more tables that are designed to be used for data entry and editing. By creating form, you can make your database more user-friendly for inexperienced users who are likely to enter and edit records in it. And we create a form using the form wizard. Now let us move to the next question, and it is an application-based question. Ruchi has created three tables. These tables are as follows. Table 1, employee number and employee name. Table 2 has designation and department, and table 3, employee number and contact number. So can you tell between which two tables can she create a relationship and why? So if we look the three tables carefully, we'll find that for creating a relationship, we know that at least two tables are required and both the tables should have one common field. And these are the field names, employee number and employee name. Here in table 2 it is designation and department, and in table 3 it is employee number and contact number. So this employee number is common in the two tables, that is table 1 and table 3. So that is why we can create a relationship between table 1 and table 3. So the answer will be between table 1 and table 3 we can create a relationship because it has a common field, employee number. So these were the question answers and the other exercises of the chapter 3 from your computer science book IT Planet. I hope you all have marked the answers and you have understood the answers also. So thank you students.